In this video, we are using the Arithmetic 2 module to apply basic scalar functions on two images. Add two local image modules to your workspace for the input images. Load the files proband T1 and T2 from MeVisLab demo data and use a Synchro View 2D for visualization. You can see both images in the viewer. Scrolling is synchronized so that you see the same slice in both viewers. Now, add an Arithmetic 2 module and connect it to both input images and to the viewer. The Synchro View 2D now shows the original image and the image after applying arithmetic functions on the images. Open the panel of the Arithmetic 2 module. You can add, subtract or multiply the images. Changes are applied in the viewers automatically. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.